the moon over the fast flowing Orange River there. Right, so full days with harvest, but time for a quick update. We had quite a high flow coming down the river in the past 2 days, and I haven't done an update. It's not more than was predicted. It's about spot on as was predicted, maybe a little bit lower. So let's look at the numbers. Grootdraai Dam above Vaal Dam has shown quite a good overflow there at about 180 cubic meters per second flowing downstream from Grootdraai. Vaal Dam is at 102%. The inflows dropped down to about 480 cubic meters per second, and it's letting out 460. It seems like, or it looks like they're planning to let it drop down to at least 100%. Bloemhof is at 102%. There's still a lot of water going from Vaal Dam towards Bloemhof Dam. That flow is still flowing in at 1,150 cubic meters per second, and the outflow is just under 1,200 cubic meters per second. On the Gariep side, the orange side, Gariep Dam is at 101%. Inflow is still 800 or just under 800 cubic meters per second, and the outflow there is a constant 660 cubic meters per second, which is full electricity generation capacity. That 60 is going down to Van der Kloof, which has started overflowing. It's just over 100%, and the outflow from Van der Kloof combined electricity and spill is at about 400 cubic meters per second. So that Bloemhof 1,200 plus 400 from Van der Kloof will probably combine up to about 1,600, but that's slightly lower than the peak, as Bloemhof was earlier open at about 1,400 cubic meters per second. So the flow downstream from Bloemhof at Katlani is about 1,700 cubic meters per second. Prieska is at about 1,400 at the moment, just under it. Uppington is about 1,350, and Bloupert is showing 1,100 cubic meters per second. So that 1,300, that peak that's currently at Katlani, will probably take about 3 days to arrive to Ugrabis, for those who want to see Ugrabis. And it seems like the Department of Water and Sanitation has everything under control. Their predictions are working quite well. Their handling of the flows and peak flows is working out well. The rainfall forecast, I've had a quick look at it. It's still looking exactly the same as the last time so short-term forecast is about 10 millimeters in the next 4 days, though it's showing slightly less area that's getting that. And then about a 40-50 millimeter over the next week, and in 2 weeks time it's an average of about 80-90 millimeters. So that's persisting. So we'll just have to see. Not much changing, but that level now, with the control that the Department of Water and Sanitation is exercising, it's not really problematic. I don't foresee too many problems unless the weather changes, so that's good. So anyways, I'm going to just for a final look over the river, and then I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Just tip up to the moon. And finishing at Doringbaai Road, which is properly underwater at this stage. male and 2 females. And they usually pair up, group up like that.